Everyone, it's Shannon, and I am the twin mama of many hats. And as mothers of twins, and as mothers in general, we wear many hats. So today, it's a little chilly outside, so I grabbed one of my girls' hats. It's a little panda bear. I thought it was cute. Just trying to keep warm out here while I do a quick video to you. Today's topic I just wanted to talk about real quick to help some parents out. It's a big deal when you bring your newborn twins home. Are you getting enough sleep? And it's really important that you take care of yourself. So I have 10 tips that you can do to ensure that you get enough sleep. And it is hard at times. I understand. I've been there. But the first tip I want to give you is swaddling. A lot of hospitals will teach this to you when you're there with your newborns. And the purpose behind it is because when they're in the womb, they feel very confined and safe and secure. So you want to make sure you keep your twins swaddled, which is a really good idea, like in a burrito style. The second tip of the day is create a restful environment. So when you're trying to get your twins to go to sleep, put them in a dark room or a room that has very soft light. And you want to keep maybe some white noise in there, like such as a fan, which a fan is also really good for SID, sudden infant death syndrome. So you want to do that, or you can play some really soft music. That always works. And number 3, tag team. If you have a husband that's anything like mine, he was excellent. He's an excellent dad, excellent husband. But you want to set up some kind of schedule with your husband so that you can take turns taking care of the babies. So, maybe you'll take care of them for a few hours and then go get some sleep and let your husband take care of them for a few hours. It worked really well for us. And number 4, get help. And I know personally as a new mom, I didn't want anybody's help. They're my babies. I can do it all myself. And that's great to want to do that, but it's almost impossible. You have to accept people's helps, whether it's grandmas, aunts, sisters, friends, whatever it may be. Get some people's help. Ask for it. Don't be afraid to ask, because you're no good to your kids if you're not rested. So that's number 4. Number 5 would be take cat naps. And plain and simple, when the babies are sleeping, take a nap. Get your rest.
Mommy.
Number 6 is streamline the process. And what that means is keep things available to you. In the middle of the night when you're awoken by your babies, make sure the diapers are close by. Make sure bottles are pre-made so that you can just go and heat it up real quick and feed your kids. And that gets them back to bed quicker so you can get back to bed quicker. Number 7, aim to coordinate a schedule. I just did a video on that yesterday. Try to create a schedule for yourself. It makes life so much easier with twins and keeps everything in balance, keeps everybody happy. Number 8, bedtime rituals. With our twins, we would always give them a bath. That's a very soothing, calm activity for them. And then it's never too early to start reading books. So we would read books to them and just have a very soft tone in our voice. And it seemed to calm them down and got them into the habit of knowing when it was going to be bedtime. So that works really well. Number 9, monitor and learn your baby's cues. They all have body language. They all have facial expressions. Just really monitor and learn what they are. And that'll clue you when they give you the cues. And this too shall pass is a big one. And 2 is TWO. This too shall pass. It's the multiples mantra. This too shall pass, this too shall pass, this too shall pass. Enjoy these times. They go so fast. Don't view your sleeplessness as just an awful thing and you hate it and this and that and the babies are crying all the time, and Believe me, it goes so fast. So just sit back, try to enjoy it, try to know that someday you're gonna miss it. So just take it all in, relax. It will stop. They'll eventually sleep through the night, and so
Mommy,
will you. Okay, guys, visit me on my Facebook page at Twin Mama of Many Hats. I'm sorry. Or you can go to my blog for more tips and articles at www.twinmama.com. Dare to dream and dare to be amazing.
I want to show Mommy.
Okay, she wants to show you something. Say hi.
Hi.
That's McKenna. Here comes Samantha. She wants to say hi.
Can I tell them what my name is?
Tell her. Tell them.
McKenna.
McKenna. Say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.